my favorite part of robotics is that no matter what you're doing, you can always learn something new. Regardless of whether or not you're at the top of the tower in your area or you don't know anything about robotics, there's always something new to learn and something new to do.
I like being in robotics because I get to experience what it's like to be an engineer.
Favorite parts would have to be just the working, probably the math of it actually. Working with the numbers, trying to see what fits best, what will work, what won't work, and seeing if it actually works in real life. Because in math class, you just do the problem, but you don't see an application of it. Here, you do the work, you figure out the problem, and you find a solution, and you apply it to real life situations.
My favorite part of robotics is probably the friends I make here. They're by far the weirdest people I've ever met. They're a combination of smart, funny, and just plain weird.
In robotics, I learned to do things that I've never heard of before, like CADing and lathing.
So far, I've learned how to do some programming in Robot C, just like a little bit of basics, and I've learned how to use some tools in the wood shop.
I have learned how to be an effective team member in designing and building a robot.
I really just want to leave a legacy where people who come after me can learn what I learned and more. I want to make it so that people can have the opportunity that I had to become interested in robotics and engineering and the whole STEM process and be able to, I don't know, go on into a future where they can engineer something great or become the next person to fly into space or something that piques their interest in a way that gets them to learn something cool about science and technology.